If it is an R-22 Freon system, it has to be at least 8 to 12 years old at this point. So again, with the life of your system, you don't want to put a lot of money into an older R-22 system. But again, giving you options, if you could put $200 or $300 into it and get through another season, it may make sense, especially if it hadn't gave you much trouble, to milk you more life out of it. But with the R-22 is out of production, so it's going to get more and more expensive. So we could come out, again, give you a free consultation. We can give you those options when you could go ahead and upgrade it to the new 410A Freon and get you a more efficient system.